Coca-Cola have just released their Q3 earnings for 2024, and I'm just going to go through the main points here and then show you the chart and how it's been performing. The company has been performing year to date as well. So the main points are Coca-Cola tops earnings estimates as higher prices offset sluggish demand. Coca-Cola posted earnings and revenue that topped expectations. Higher prices helped to offset sluggish demand for beverages. Coke said it now expects organic revenue growth of about 10% this year, the high end of the previous range. And I'll just go into so the earnings per share 77 cents adjusted versus 74 cents expected. So they beat on earnings and they beat on revenue as well. So the revenue was 11.95 billion adjusted versus 11.60 billion expected. However, unit volume fell by 1% in this quarter, driven by weakening demand in some international markets. And they also, I was listening to the CEO of Coke speaking as well on CNBC. I watched a video just previously, and he was talking about how people are more price conscious. And that's definitely the case right across the world, I'd say, at the moment, because of everything, inflation soaring in certain countries, etc. Coke's unit case volume in North America was flat for the quarter as shrinking demand for its water, sports, coffee, and tea products offset growth in its namesake soda, juice, dairy, plant-based beverages, and sparkling flavors. Coke said its pricing rose 10%. Roughly 4% of that increase comes from markets experiencing intense inflation. So, like when Coke rises the prices, people are price conscious and they're probably not buying as much. That's how I would be as well. If I see if I see price hikes on things, then it does put me off. And that's how people are feeling, I guess, at the moment. But companies have to do these things in line with inflation. For 2024, Coke now expects organic revenue growth of roughly 10% on the high end of its prior 9 to 10%. The company reiterated its projection that comparable earnings per share will rise 5 to 6%. Coke will provide its full 2025 outlook when it reports fourth quarter earnings, but the company is already expecting currency to hurt results next year. Coke is projecting a low single-digit headwind for comparable revenue and a mid-single-digit headwind for earnings per share. So yeah, because people are more price conscious and that Coke has hiked up the price as well, there's not as many, the volume has decreased in the amount that people are buying. Here I have Coca-Cola's share price chart open and I have the yearly chart open, the daily chart, and you can see it's trading at 68.39 now at the moment. And when you scroll down and dig deeper, Coca-Cola opened at 66.99, hit a day high of 68.64 and a daily low of 66.58. However, 52-week high of 73.53. And also, a thing to note is year to date, Coca-Cola has been up over 15% the share price. So that's quite a good gain in a year for the share price of Coca-Cola. And like Coca-Cola does pay a dividend as well. So yeah, keep an eye on Coca-Cola. It's beat on earnings, it's beat on revenue estimates. And even though the demand has been slow, they project into 2025 that things will bounce back again. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Take care. Till next time.